Hi angels, welcome back to another DIY. So in this video we are going to be making reflective dragon sneakers or glow in the dark. I prefer to just call them glow in the dark because as soon as you shine a flashlight on it, then you just see it shining up. You see different colors and I absolutely love it. So I got these shoes from Fashion Nova. I absolutely love them. I've been looking for some like really thick high sneakers and these are only $19. So I was like, oh my god, I have to get these. So the dragons I'm gonna leave down in the description box below if you guys want to go order any of it. And yeah, so like what I just said before, these are reflective stick-ons, whatever you want to call it, for shoes. So I've never worked with anything like this before. I just usually do the other iron-on ones. You just iron it onto your shoes and then you just remove it after like 5 seconds and you're good to go. But these ones are different. Any sticker that you add onto your shoes that is reflective, first thing first, you have to run the iron all the way on it. This little mini iron. And then when you're finished, you have to let it cool off. You cannot just remove it right away. I did not know that, so that's why I was like, why is this not working? Why does it keep on peeling off? Like, I'm applying enough heat. Like, what in the name of Jesus is going on in here? And I was doing this for like a really long time. My hand was getting tired. I was like, why is this not working? But the thing is, when you run the iron all the way through it and press down on it and let it set for a minute, you have to just leave it alone. Let it cool down. Let the heat off of it cool down. And then you remove it. Then you won't have any problems. I did not know that. But I figured it out. I just let it cool down for a second. But actually, I was doing something else. And then I came back and I removed it. I was like, oh my god, it works. So, yeah. Anything that is reflective, let it cool down before you remove it. So, I'm going to show you guys what I mean. I actually don't know how long I let it cool down for. So, I don't know. But it's not long. Just wait until you don't feel any heat coming off the shoes. Then you know that you're good to go. So we're just running our iron all the way over it. Since it has the little dots on there, this little scale. Make sure that you apply enough heat. And you should be good to go. This is really, really simple. This has to be like my favorite shoes out of any one of them I've ever made. And mind you, I have done hydro dripping. I have done a ton of other custom sneakers. And these are my favorite because it's so colorful. I love it. And this is how it looks after you let it cool down. And then you are removing the sticker. Look at how amazing it is. It just come off so nice and smooth. It doesn't give you any problem, and that's what I love about it. And by the way, I have on my ring light, so this is how it looks with the flash on. You see all the beautiful colors. By the way, I'm going to show you guys how it looks without the flash, so no need to worry. This is the final product. My legs are ashy and they're hairy. I know. I didn't feel like shaving them. But look at these shoes. They're amazing. I love it. Oh my god. This is how it looks without the flash. Yeah, nice, simple. But this is how it looks with the flash. Oh my god. Alright, bye. Thanks for watching.